All right, guys, we've got the Buying, Rentals, and Building Wealth Bootcamp coming up. And the goal of this bootcamp is to spend 3 days with you teaching you how to buy rental properties. And the goal is to build unlimited wealth with rental properties so that you can create a life of financial freedom. And the way we do that is by teaching the buy, repair, rent, refinance strategy, where you borrow money from a private lender like me and you buy a property at 50 cents on the dollar. You fix it up, you rent it out, and then once you've done that, you go and refinance with a regular conventional mortgage, pay me back on that loan, and then go ahead and repeat it and do it again, right? So when you utilize this strategy, you can essentially buy unlimited real estate. If you implement it correctly, you can buy properties with almost no money down, in some cases completely with no money down. All right, so the goal is financial freedom. Financial freedom means being able to quit your job and to be able to live off the income from your investments. And I've taught many of my students how to do this, and I'd like to teach you. All right, so join me for 3 days at the Buying, Rentals, and Building Wealth Bootcamp. I have students of mine that have incredible real estate portfolios. One of my students has $25 million in rentals. I want to show you how to do this. And more importantly, I want to show you how to do this with other people's money. All right, so it's a 3-day event, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you'd like to be at this event, just go ahead and click on that button below. I look forward to seeing you there.